can't sit back and let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look it right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it. Hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it, hit it, I guess sit back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look it right, get a type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you hit it, shout it, 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 hit it, shout it. Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips gloss, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is there something you're not telling me? Are you the daughter of Frankie Beverly? It's the way you move, the way you move. I'm a fan of your good secret. She doing freaky stuff. Shouting, got me geeked up. Like they wrote, I got played up. Let me show you street love.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need. You used to call me on my you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit.
Evidence we miss, and I'm not more in love with you. Some more of me. I like the way you screw your face, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't bring my way out to it. It's the same, and I can't blame myself for loving you. Don't do it. All that I know is there was inside me.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for Amanda hair. Today I am reviewing this orange. This is like a very true orange. I want to say it's like a deep wave, but it's like a curly type of unit. If you guys can see, like at the bottom, these are the natural curls that are in the hair, and then I put like some artificial curls at the top using this crimping iron just to give it that wave pattern, because I feel like I lost a lot of the wave pattern when I was like plucking the hair and everything, you know, trying to customize the hairline. So I lost the texture of the hair at the top part. So I went ahead and I added these crimps in it so that it can like match a little better with the rest of the hair. Off top, one thing I want to mention is how thick and full and long this hair is. This is a lot of hair, okay? This is not a little bit of hair. This is not like, oh, I'll take some hair. No, this is like, I'll take all the hair I can get. So this is all the hair up front, and this is where it's hitting me in the front. So it's super full and very, very long. So I do like that about this hair. I would say this is like more so like a photo shoot type of look. I wouldn't wear this type of hair on an everyday basis just because it is a lot of hair. I would definitely go down in the density if you are gonna order this unit. I would say maybe like an average 150 will be just fine. I'm not sure what this is, but this is a lot. So I'm gonna put some of the rest of the hair. Like you see that? Like this is so much. Just putting some of that back there, and it's still a lot of hair up front. So if you're looking for a unit that's very, very full and something that's nice and colorful, because I really do like these like copper, orange, ginger type of colors. I think they look very beautiful. Like if I come up close, you guys can really see like the true color. And I am currently using like natural lighting right now. I've been kind of playing around with that in a couple of my videos lately. This is how my hair turned out though, you guys. I really do like this hair, and I like the fact that I was able to crimp it, because at first I was like on the fence about it. I didn't know if I wanted to crimp it. I didn't think, you know, I wasn't really sure how it would turn out, but I think it turned out pretty good. It matches with the rest of the hair. Like you can't even really tell. It just looks like, oh, that's just the texture of the hair. Because like down here, you know, and I made sure that I undid the crimps. If you want to, you can definitely keep the crimps in your hair, but I undid it just so that it can look more like the rest of the hair. But one thing about it is that this hair is just so poofy, so just be mindful of that. When you're running your fingers through the hair, you might make the hair look bigger and bigger by the second. But yeah, this is the vibe. So I'm just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer just because of the lighting. Because I am using natural lighting, it's gonna like go in and out and change on me and everything. But this is an up close look at the unit. Looks like I didn't put any like makeup on my lace today, so it's not really looking the best, but this is pretty much what it's looking like. I didn't add any baby hairs or anything like that to my hair just because I felt like you weren't going to be able to see them like that anyway. And I personally don't really like baby hairs on colored hair. Any type of hair that has like a color to it, if it's not black, like I don't really like to do baby hairs on it, because I feel like for one, you can't see it that well, and it just doesn't always look the best. That's just my opinion. So I just prefer not to do that. Especially with a unit like this. I mean, you don't really need to have the baby hairs unless you really wanted it. But you see what I mean? Like how it just looks like the regular texture, you know, like this is the texture down here of the hair. So this is how it comes. I did wash the hair and I did pluck it and all of that. I did not have to bleach the knots in the hair, but this is how the hair originally came, just like this. So it was already this really beautiful color. So it was already this really beautiful pattern, but I just wanted to like kind of define it a little bit more because I just feel like it wasn't like giving enough. This is so much hair, you guys. Oh my gosh. You know what I feel like right now? If you guys have ever watched that Disney movie Brave, like I feel like I look like that Disney character Brave with this hair. Like it's definitely giving Brave vibes, but I do really like it. I will also like, because it is a lot of hair, I would actually wear it up in a half up, half down, but I did a hairstyle like that recently, so that's the only reason why I didn't do a half up, half down. So as far as like the pros and the cons to this unit, because there are some cons with this unit for me personally, I would say one of the cons would have to be the lace. I feel like the lace, I just wanted it to melt a little bit better, and I feel like, you know, it's like parts like this that kind of like show a little bit too much for me. So I would say like I would wish that the lace was maybe like a little bit thinner and softer. Maybe that could be a factor, I'm not sure. The only other con would be like the construction of it, as far as like the parting space on the side. I can't do any like deep side parts or anything like that with this unit because it has that whole horseshoe type of vibe to it. Hair out, like you see where the tracks start, you get what I'm saying? So it's like you only get this little piece, and then let me see when that stops. You see how far it goes up? Like all the way up here. So it's like even if you wanted to do a deep parting space, you can't do a deep side part because there's minimal parting space on the sides. So you're kind of forced to do like a middle part. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to give you guys like another look, like a more personal, like selfie type look at my hair. I'll come up to the sunlight maybe a little bit closer. Oh, maybe I should. I'm gonna sit on the couch so you guys can like really see the hair. Ooh, look how orange. So I'm in natural sunlighting, like direct sunlight, so you guys can really see how orange this hair is. Like this hair is like a true orange. This is not like a copper, because I know I've done like copper and gingers and all of that, but this is like a true orange. And I like this hair a lot, you guys. This is really, really pretty. And then let's look at our lace in the natural lighting. And that lace actually looks better in natural lighting than it does like over there. I mean, that was still natural lighting, but you get what I mean. Like it looks better in direct sunlight. You know, it definitely looks pretty good. So I will actually have to take back my statement on the lace. I think the lace is actually really nice. Even in like this center part here, you see that? Like the lace is nice. So yeah, you guys, this is from Amanda Hair. Sorry for all the lines, because obviously I'm sitting in front of my window and it has blinds here. But yeah, this is the color. I just wanted to show you guys like the true color so you guys can catch the vibes. So I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Amanda Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this beautiful unit. I absolutely love it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will too. So if you are interested, make sure you check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. Give a big thank you to all of you guys for stopping by on my channel to show me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.